Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to source for the latest insights in various industries. Our mission is to empower you with the most up-to-date, invaluable information across a wide spectrum of sectors, from tech to entertainment and everything in between. We aim to arm you with the knowledge you need to make informed investment decisions. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Investor Web is here for you. Stay tuned to Investor Web, and remember, knowledge is the ultimate investment. In today's episode, we dive into the glitz and glamour of the entertainment industry. A realm both enticing and enigmatic. It's a world where dreams are born and stars are made. But beyond the red carpets and spotlights, there's so much more that remains hidden from the public eye. From economic impacts to technology's role, the entertainment industry is a complex machine that never ceases to amaze. So buckle up as we unveil 10 things you didn't know about the entertainment industry. First off, let's talk money. The entertainment industry, with its glitz and glamour, is a colossal economic powerhouse. It's not just about red carpets and movie premieres. This industry is a significant plinth that supports the global economy. Imagine a vast ecosystem continuously pulsating and thriving, contributing billions to the gross domestic product yearly. It's not just about the box office hits or chart-topping music albums. The river of revenue flows from various streams like television, digital media, music, publishing, and even live performances. Moreover, the industry is a substantial job creator, employing millions of people worldwide, both directly and indirectly. It's a livelihood provider, a dream maker, and let's not forget about exports. Entertainment products are one of the leading exports of many countries, driving international trade and cross-cultural exchange. The entertainment industry isn't just about the show, it's about the business, the economy, and it's doing a stellar job at it. The entertainment industry is indeed a significant contributor to the global economy. Next, we turn our attention to the small screens in our pockets. The rise of streaming platforms has been nothing short of meteoric. With their advent, the world has seen a seismic shift in how entertainment is consumed. Once, primetime television dictated our viewing habits. Now, we dictate our own primetime. Services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and Disney Plus have become the new norm, upending traditional media and changing the entertainment landscape forever. These platforms offer an appealing blend of convenience, control, and variety. No longer are we at the mercy of set programming schedules. Instead, we have the liberty to watch what we want, when we want. The impact is profound. Traditional media models are evolving, and the entertainment industry is in a constant state of flux, all due to these digital disruptors. Indeed, streaming platforms have revolutionized the way we consume entertainment. At number 3, we have the power of franchises. In the entertainment industry, franchises are not just a trend, they are a phenomenon. Consider the likes of Marvel or Star Wars. These are not just movie series, they are full-blown franchises with a global fan base, merchandise galore, and a storyline that keeps audiences hooked for years. The allure lies in their ability to create a captivating universe that viewers eagerly buy into, offering a sense of continuity and anticipation. Each new release, be it a sequel, prequel, or a spin-off, is an event in itself, driving ticket sales and creating a buzz across multiple media platforms. Moreover, franchises generate a stable, predictable revenue stream, making them a safe bet for investors. They have the power to shape pop culture, set trends, and impact the industry's economic landscape. Franchises have indeed become a cornerstone of the entertainment industry. Moving on, we delve into the digital world. It's impossible to overlook the growing influence of social media on the entertainment industry. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook have transformed how we consume entertainment and interact with our favorite stars. Social media has created new avenues for content distribution. Independent artists and creators can now reach a global audience without the need for a hefty marketing budget or a traditional media house backing them. It's a revolution, really. Moreover, social media has also become a platform for instant feedback, helping entertainment companies gauge audience response in real time. This interactivity is reshaping the industry, making it more responsive and dynamic. Additionally, these platforms are now a launchpad for viral trends and challenges. Remember the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge or the TikTok dance trends? These viral moments are now a significant part of pop culture, influencing the entertainment industry in profound ways. Social media has undeniably become a key player in the entertainment industry. Next up, we have a relatively new player in the industry. With the advent of the internet age, a new form of competitive entertainment has emerged and rapidly gained popularity: esports. Esports, or electronic sports, has transcended the realm of being just a pastime and evolved into a professional sport with players, teams, leagues, and even spectators. Just as traditional sports have, esports has begun to command massive audiences, with millions tuning in to watch tournaments of games like League of Legends, Dota 2, and Counter-Strike. Such is its impact that esports is now a billion-dollar industry, with revenues soaring each year. Moreover, esports athletes are increasingly being recognized and treated as traditional athletes. They are now earning substantial incomes, winning hefty prize pools, and even being granted athlete visas for international competitions. The rise of esports has undeniably reshaped the entertainment industry, opening up new opportunities for investment and growth. Esports has certainly made its mark on the entertainment landscape. Now let's talk tech. Technology has always been a driving factor in the evolution of the entertainment industry, but never more so than in the 21st century. From the invention of the television to the rise of the internet, each new technological advancement has brought about seismic shifts in the way we consume entertainment. Today, we're seeing this trend continue with developments in areas like computer-generated imagery, or CGI, and virtual reality, or VR. CGI has revolutionized the film and television industry, enabling creators to bring their most ambitious visions to life. Meanwhile, VR is offering immersive experiences that blur the line between reality and fantasy, taking us into worlds we could only dream of. But it's not just about visual spectacle. Technology is also reshaping the business side of the industry, providing new ways for creators to distribute their work and engage with audiences. Indeed, technology continues to redefine the boundaries of entertainment. At number 7, we have the art of merchandising. This is a crucial aspect of the entertainment industry that is often overlooked. It's not just about creating compelling content, it's also about how you market and sell that content. Merchandising is a key revenue driver for many companies in the industry. It includes selling physical products such as DVDs, toys, and clothing, as well as digital products like downloadable content or in-app purchases. Think about the last superhero movie you saw. The film itself was just the tip of the iceberg. There were action figures, t-shirts, video games, and much more. Each of these products represents an additional revenue stream for the company. In a world where digital content is increasingly consumed for free or at a very low cost, merchandising provides a valuable source of income. It helps to sustain the production of high-quality content and fuels the growth of the industry. Merchandising is indeed a major revenue driver in the entertainment industry. Next, we turn our attention to the world of music. Music festivals, the pulsating heart of this industry, are more than just a gathering of bands and music lovers. They are significant economic engines, generating billions of dollars annually. These vibrant events serve as powerful platforms for artists to share their music, engage with fans, and even launch their careers. Furthermore, music festivals have an undeniable ripple effect, boosting local economies by attracting tourists, creating jobs, and supporting local businesses. The food and beverage industry, hospitality sector, and retail market all experience a surge during these events. Moreover, the innovation and creativity showcased at these festivals inspire new trends and technologies, enriching the entertainment landscape. From virtual reality concerts to eco-friendly initiatives, music festivals are often at the forefront of change. In addition, these festivals foster a sense of community, bringing people together through a shared love of music, creating experiences that resonate deeply with audiences. Music festivals certainly add a unique dimension to the entertainment industry. At number 9, we delve into the world of celebrities. Celebrity culture has an immense influence on the entertainment industry, shaping trends and driving sales like nothing else. From red carpet fashion to lifestyle choices, celebrities dictate what's hip and what's not. They can turn an unknown brand into a household name overnight with a single endorsement. This culture of celebrity isn't just about who's wearing what or dining where, it's also about the power of influence. When celebrities speak, their fans listen. They can sway public opinion, drive social change, and even influence political landscapes. This is why brands are willing to shell out millions for a celebrity endorsement. Moreover, celebrities also have a significant impact on the box office. A film with a star-studded cast can generate substantial buzz, attracting audiences and boosting ticket sales. In the world of entertainment, celebrity culture is a potent force shaping not only the industry but society as a whole. Celebrity culture has undeniably shaped the entertainment industry in many ways. Finally, we look towards the future. As we peer into the crystal ball of the entertainment industry, we see a landscape ripe with possibilities. The digitization of content is expected to continue full steam ahead, with virtual and augmented reality taking the lead. Imagine immersing yourself in a film not merely as a spectator, but as an active participant. In the realm of music, expect to see artificial intelligence playing a larger role in composition, production, and even performance. Meanwhile, the gaming industry is set to evolve beyond our wildest dreams, with cloud gaming and interactive storylines becoming the norm. Additionally, the industry's commitment to diversity and representation is expected to intensify, transforming the narratives we see on screen. From the rise of international cinema to the championing of underrepresented voices, this is a trend that promises to enrich our entertainment landscape. Indeed, the future of the entertainment industry looks bright and exciting. So, there you have it. 10 things you didn't know about the entertainment industry. From its massive economic impact to the rising power of esports, and from the influence of social media to the importance of merchandising, this industry is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity. Its future lies in harnessing the power of technology and understanding the role of celebrity culture. Thank you for tuning in to Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, and remember, knowledge is the ultimate investment.